Good morning, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes. We're on a job site in Livingston, Montana. Beautiful. And the logs came here. I'm going to give you a little video of how far we've progressed yesterday. We got the crew here. This is day 2. And we're getting their tool belts on, getting the tools set up. That's our trailer where we put all of our tools. And these are some of the logs. We have more logs coming this morning on another truck. Yesterday we started the framing for the porch deck right there and started putting the porch floor on and the main subfloor framing and floor. Later today we'll start setting the logs on here with a crane. Now I'm going to give more detail here how this looks like. These are 2-inch thick planks that we cut for the porch floor. They're very thick and heavy. I'm gonna walk on it. It makes a beautiful floor. Multicolored Douglas fir and larch. Very heavy. And there's our framing. Is all the framing for the porch decks are all pressure treated to prevent from rotting. Joist hangers, a 3/4 inch OSB Oriental strand board floor, tongue and groove material. So I'll go over here and get a view of the floor. You guys are all getting set up here with the nice shiny toys here. Getting their belts on. And so I'll go around here and get a close-up. The outside gets a double rim. And then there's blocking by every, this blocking is for holding up the log walls. You'll see that around all the perimeter. Those are called eye joists that hold the floor, the joists, the plywood, or the, not plywood, but OSB sheeting. Those blocking you see is what holds up the log wall on the outside. Because the walls are so heavy, we put dimensional vertical pieces of wood in there to hold the wall, as well as every joist has one. So that's an overview of this job site. It's a it's a Montana Rancher, 28 by 42 on the floor, plus the 8 by 42 front porch, and then there'll be a small side porch. There will be more videos later. Thanks for watching.